Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to answer a question that sounds both scary and fascinating. Can the moon crash into Earth? We see the moon every night in the sky, but have you ever wondered if one day it could fall out of orbit and collide with our planet? Let's find out the real science behind this idea. The moon is not just floating randomly around Earth. It is locked in a stable orbit about 384,000 kilometers away from us. Gravity from Earth pulls the moon inward, while the moon's motion keeps it moving forward. This balance of forces keeps it circling Earth safely, and it has been doing so for billions of years. So, could the moon ever crash into Earth? The answer is, under normal circumstances, no. The moon is actually moving away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year. Scientists discovered this using special mirrors left on the moon during the Apollo missions. This means the moon is slowly drifting farther, not closer. But in science, we do consider extreme possibilities. If Earth's gravity suddenly changed, or if another massive object passed through the solar system and disturbed the moon's orbit, then yes, a collision could happen. However, these scenarios are so unlikely that they are practically impossible. It would take unimaginable cosmic forces for the moon to actually fall into Earth. In fact, billions of years from now, the sun will expand into a red giant star. When that happens, Earth and the moon might both be destroyed by the sun's heat, long before they would ever crash into each other. So if you're worried about the moon falling on Earth, you can relax. It's not going to happen. So the real answer is, no, the moon cannot crash into Earth under normal conditions. Instead, it's slowly drifting away from us, little by little every single year. Isn't that amazing? If you enjoyed learning about this cosmic mystery, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. And tell us in the comments, what space questions should we explore next? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.